We had a problem with it, with a crack that was forming, and said, hey, let's give these guys a holler. And that's how we found out about you, and couldn't be more pleased. We had a crack that actually right here, this was probably twice as big as this before you guys came in. We had to come in. My wife finally got me going, and it made me make the phone call. And ironically enough, they found I had another problem on another wall where the brick was actually sliding, which was a bigger issue than the crack. It was phenomenal. No pressure whatsoever to do this. Just said, hey, here's your options. You decide what you want to do, and away we go. We set up the appointment for the installers to come in and install it. And when they started doing the drilling into the base, they found that I didn't have a typical sill plate. And so they said, holy cow, we can't put those in. And when they did that, they said, okay, we're going to have to put in these kind of braces. But they said, because we didn't check that and whatever, it's going to cost the same price. I said, that to me is a company that values its customers, that values the work that it does. When the guys came in to install it, put these braces in, they were amazing. Got right after it. I mean, they went to town. They were an amazing crew to watch. As you can see, the crack is essentially gone. When they came to do the 1 year adjustment, that wall over there actually was sliding back to where it's supposed to be. So the bricks, the bottom bricks weren't sliding out anymore. We used to get, if it really rained a lot or a ton of snow melt or whatever, and that we would get a little rivulet of water that would run through. We have not had any water down here. So, my play area down here, as I like to call it, my basement, I can put anything down here and I have no fear that it's going to get wet. They are going to do nothing but make sure the job is done right. And companies like this are hard to find today.